Hello viewers, today we are talk about Robert Orr. Robert Orr, a renowned Croatian painter. Please like and subscribe this channel. Robert Orr, a renowned Croatian painter, 1873 to 1952, was a permanent Croatian painter and one of the blending figure of the Secessionist movement in Croatia. Born on 27 November 1873 in Austria, Robert became widely recognized for his refined portraiture and symbolic composition that blended Art Nouveau aesthetic with traditional artistic techniques. His work is celebrated for its elegance, rich detail, and mastery of color and light. Robert showed an early interest in art, which led him to pursue formal training in Vienna, one of Europe's leading cultural centers, during the late 19th century. He enrolled at the Academy of Fine Arts in Vienna, where he was deeply influenced by the burgeoning Secessionist movement, a branch of Art Nouveau that emphasized individuality, modernity, and artistic freedom. After completing his studies, he returned to Zagreb and began his artistic career. Contributions significantly to the cultural landscape of Croatia. Ore's style is rooted in the Art Nouveau tradition, characterized by following lines: ornamental detail and a focus on beauty and symbolism. His works often depict idealized figure, blending realism with a dreamlike quality. While his primary focus was portraiture, he also explored allegorical and symbolic themes, drawing inspiration from mythology, literature, and the natural world. One of Robert distinguished feature as an artist was his ability to capture the essence of his subjects, whether they were prominent figure in society. His portraits exude is positification and often reflects the personalities and status of the individual he painted. The interplay of light, shadow, and intricate texture in his paintings highlights his technical prowess and meticulous attention to detail. During his career, Robert became one of Croatia's most sought after portrait painters. His clientele include members of the aristocracy, the bourgeoisie, and cultural elites. Many of his work were exhibited both locally and internationally, earning him widespread recognition. Robert was also an influential educator, teaching at the Academy of Fine Arts in Zagreb. His dedication to mentoring young artists helped shape a new generation of Croatian painters and contributed to the development of the country's modern art scenes. Despite his success, Robert remained modest and deeply committed to his craft. His work were regularly displayed at exhibition of the Croatian Artists Society, and he participated in numerous international exhibitions, further cementing his reputation as a master of his time. As artistic trends evolved in the 20th century, Robert's traditional style became somewhat overshadowed by emerging modernist movement. However, his contribution to Croatian art remained significant. He continued to paint and teach until his death on 8 March 1952 in Zagreb. Today, Roberts or is remembered as one of the leading figures of Croatian Secessionist art. His paintings are housed in major Croatian museums such